Hello and welcome to Home Capital's series on home ownership. Keeping all of these challenges in mind, we introduce to you the Home Capital Program. The Home Capital Program is India's first home down payment assistance program. This program helps you with up to 50% of the amount that you need to make towards the down payment of the house is extended to you as a unsecured personal loan, and the best part is it is interest free. All you need to do as a buyer is repay the principal amount of the loan in 12 equal monthly installments, and again this continues to be interest free. So how does this work? Let's revisit our earlier timeline of when are you expected to pay how much for your house. You would be expected to pay 10% of the down payment when you book the house, 80% is in the form of a home loan, and the balance 10% on possession. So let's take back our example of Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, wherein they are looking to buy a house whose value is 80.35 lakhs. The LTV of the house is 80%, so 64.28 lakhs is going to be funded by the bank. They would be expected to make a down payment of 10% of 80.35 lakhs, which is 8.035 lakhs, and the balance 10% they would be expected to make when they get possession of the house. Now, how do Mr. and Mrs. Sharma arrange for the down payment of 8.35 lakhs that they need to make in order to book their dream house? Either they can arrange this from the savings they have accumulated over a period of time, or they can get it as a gift from family and friends, or as a loan from family and friends and make the down payment, or today they have an option to take advantage of Home Capital's down payment assistance program. Under this program, 50% of the down payment will be extended by Home Capital as an interest-free unsecured loan, and the couple only need to arrange for 50% of the balance, that is 4.0175 lakhs from their own savings. The balance amount is received from Home Capital in the form of an unsecured loan which is totally interest free. So all they need to do is repay the amount which is extended by Home Capital as a loan in the form of 12 equal monthly installments amounting to 33,479 rupees per month, which is nothing but 50% of the down payment of 8.035 lakhs divided by 12. This amount extended to you as an interest-free loan will go a long way in helping you achieve your dream of buying your first house. There are numerous benefits associated with the Home Capital Down Payment Assistance Program. It helps you double the amount available for your home down payment because only half of it is funded from your savings and the balance comes as a loan from Home Capital. It is a interest-free personal loan, and this is the highlight of the program, wherein you need to repay only the principal amount in 12 equal monthly installments. This helps you accelerate the home ownership process and reduces the waiting period because you have assistance in the form of 50% of the amount you need to put forward as the down payment. It allows you to hold on to your other savings that you have, and you don't have to liquidate your contingency fund to be able to make the home down payment, and you can live with a peace of mind that your contingency fund is as it is and you've got assistance from Home Capital to make the balance home down payment. In addition to that, the Home Capital program assists you in selecting your dream house and taking the first step towards owning your first house. The highlights of Home Capital's programs include the assistance being in the form of an interest-free unsecured personal loan. Since it is unsecured, there is no lien on your house. The only lien on the house is with respect to the home loan which is extended by the bank to you. The best part is, since it's an unsecured interest-free loan, the program does not impact your home loan eligibility. It is accepted by all residential developers across major cities, and it gives a huge boost to your savings and helps you take the first step in home ownership. If you were to visit the website of Home Capital, you will find that Home Capital has a tie-up with the leading real estate developers across the country, and there are a numerous number of projects from which you can choose your dream home and take assistance from Home Capital for making the home down payment for that project and making the home down payment for your house. Higher is the down payment that you make towards your dream house, higher is the amount of equity you will land up having in the property, and higher the equity, the better the chances that the banker will offer you a home loan at a lower rate, because when he sees that you have a higher equity in the property, his risk is reduced to a certain extent, and then he is willing to extend, the bank is willing to extend you a loan at a lower rate of interest. And having a higher down payment also fastens the loan approval process, because the banks take such a case as the one having lower risk and have higher confidence in extending money in the cases where there is a higher amount of down payment made towards the home. And by taking assistance from Home Capital to make the home down payment, you need not touch and liquidate all your savings. You can continue to hold on to your contingency fund so that it is available for you to use in case of an emergency. The best part is the amount that you receive from Home Capital is interest free. So that is actually a saving which is going into your pocket, because you are able to utilize the interest free amount to make this down payment. Now that you understand the various benefits associated with Home Capital's down payment assistance program, let's debunk some of the myths associated with home down payment. It's no longer difficult to qualify for a home buyer's program because you have Home Capital ready to assist you. It's no longer the case that down payment programs are not available in India. That's history. You no longer need to keep aside 20% or even 10% to buy a house. With an amount as small as 5% and an equal assistance from Home Capital, you can go ahead and buy your dream house. And finally, the myth that down payment programs make home financing difficult no more exists, because you have a fantastic program in the form of Home Capital. And how you can benefit from this program, let's have a look. To be eligible for Home Capital's program, you need to be a first-time home buyer in the age group of 25 to 58. Also, you need to be an Indian resident with a stable income and a good credit track record. If you are an Indian resident in the age group of 25 to 58, you qualify for the Home Capital program. By following these 3 steps, you can check your home down payment assistance eligibility for the offerings by leading residential developers across India on the Home Capital website. Step 1. Go to the Home Finance section on Home Capital and choose the offering-wise home down payment assistance calculator and select your desired project. Step 2. Add your income and obligations. Step 3. Generate your credit report. These 3 steps based on your income and credit score would enable you to compute the Home Capital assistance you are eligible for. And with that assistance in your hand, you can take your first step towards finalizing your dream home and making the down payment to your developer today. In a quick recap of episode 5, we understood what was home down payment, how you could compute the home down payment for the dream home that you're looking for, and we introduced to you India's first ever home down payment assistance program brought to you by Home Capital, wherein you can avail an interest-free loan of up to 50% of the home down payment, which you need to repay in 12 equal installments back to Home Capital. All you need to do is visit their website and check your eligibility for the Home Capital program. Having taken the first step and decided to make the home down payment, in the next episode we will discuss about the various legal aspects associated with buying your house. The Home Capital community assists and guides you successfully through your journey of home ownership. Join India's first community of home buyers and homeowners and take your next step towards home ownership.